Hey guys, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital here at Business Growth Guys. And the question I'm going to answer for you today is Google AdWords right for your business? The first thing you need to understand is how do you sell your services? Are you business to consumer or business to business? Business to consumer, it usually makes sense. Business to business, it's like a 50-50. It really depends on, do people go looking in Google, and these days most of the time the answer is yes, for the products or services that you're offering other businesses. Sometimes not. Sometimes they find them at trade shows. That's a better source of leads. It depends upon how people discover you or go looking for your solution. Sometimes people have a solution that people don't even know exists. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Trends. It's trends.google.com. And here you can type in the search term. And in this case, I'm going to type in distillery near me. I'm going to act like I'm my friend Mark that owns a distillery. And, oh, that looks kind of interesting. Now, the first thing is this is giving me the last 12 months worth of data, and it's giving me all of Canada. The great thing is you can get, in the US, you can get very specific. So I can go to Austin, Texas and look at the same search term. So I'll go back, and this time I actually want Ontario, Canada, because that's where my buddy Mark's distillery is. And I can also change the timeline so I can look at the last 5 years, get a bit better picture. But let's try another term, distillery. And so the answer is a lot more people look for distillery than distillery near me. So you could spend a lot of time fighting over distillery near me, where just bidding on and having your ad show in front of distillery might work out better for you because there's a lot more search volume for that. And you can see that it peaks in the fall. So this is the November, December timeframe, which I guess is either people looking for events or people buying booze for gifts. So once you've set up your AdWords account, underneath tools, there is the keyword planner, and you're able to go in and plan your keywords. I'm going to choose my team building business, and I'm just going to type in team building and see what Google comes up with. Now this time it gives you the search results for last year. It gives you sort of the curve of demand, but it also gives you the volume of search, right? So that gives you a number to look at. Tells you whether it's going up or down in terms of the last 3 months, year over year. Competition, and this is how much competition you have for that keyword when you're bidding on your ads in AdWords. To be on the first page, how low you can get away with. To be at the top, to hold the number one position, how much you'd have to pay for that bid. And in account means I've got it already in my account. So ones I don't have in my account are virtual team building, and you can see that the trend for any of the virtual ones is down. And I didn't like doing team building in a virtual way, so drop that. Where team bonding, you can see that there was a bit of a surge at the end of last year. Fun team building activities, it's pretty steady volume, a little bit lower. So this gives you an idea of keywords that you can play with. And you can spend a lot of time in keyword tool planning out your keywords, and then you can bring these into your campaigns. Another quick way is to pop over to findkeywords.net. This is something I built. You guys can take advantage of. It's free. You just type in distillery and your email address, and boom. This is actually pulling from Bing's database, the other search engine that represents about 20% of the search volume on the internet. And this is just anything that contains distillery and what the top volume is. Right? Buffalo Trace is at the top. Distillery District Toronto, that's interesting. Haven Hill, High West, Woodford's doing well. Jack Daniels, Jim Beam. More Jack Daniels, Garrison Brothers, over Four Roses, and distillery near me is still kind of low. So anyways, this gives you an idea of how people go looking for distilleries, or which distilleries they're looking for, and you can use this tool to get an idea of keywords as well. So that's the first step in figuring out whether AdWords will work for your business, is to build your list of keywords that you would want to spend money on, because you believe those are the ones people are searching for your business. And that'll determine, if you've got a decent number of keywords, that'll determine most likely whether AdWords will work for you or not. Once you have your keywords, you then have to create your advertisement, and your advertisement will be placed in amongst everybody else's advertisement. So then it comes down to your ad writing skills and how you're bidding for those keywords. So what your message is, and message always overrules the media. So lots of people spend money, they haven't got a good message, doesn't work for them. So your ad writing skills are paramount today. Take a look at some of the Google ad writing videos that I've got, and there's a couple of other keyword videos that you might get interested in. But there you go. Google AdWords works for most businesses where there's search intent. So the first thing you need to figure out is there search intent, and how much? Good luck with your advertising your business. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. Give me a like. Thank you for watching.